Everyone is panicking. Students are abandoning computer science. Parents are worried. The headlines scream AI is replacing developers. I get it. You see ChatGPT writing entire applications. You see AI generating thousands of lines of code in seconds. You see companies cutting junior positions. The fear feels justified. But panic spreads faster than truth. Today, I'm breaking down what AI actually changes and what it can't touch, and 7 engineering roles experts predict will explode in 2026. Some of these roles didn't even exist 2 years ago. Let's separate fear from reality. Here's a fundamental misunderstanding. People think software engineering is just typing code. That's like saying surgery is just holding a scalpel. Real software engineering is problem decomposition, is architectural decisions, is understanding why a system breaks at 2 a.m. It's balancing security with usability. It's translating messy business requirements into working systems. Yes, AI crushes code generation, but AI fails spectacularly in reasoning, judgment, and understanding context. There's a massive difference between writing code and knowing what to build. Let me be honest about what's going away. Repetitive, crude operations, gone. Boilerplate templates, automated. Simple scripts that follow predictable patterns done by AI in seconds. If your entire value as a developer is typing standard implementations faster than the next person, you're right to feel worried. This is why many junior roles focus purely on execution are shrinking. Companies don't need 5 people doing work that AI can do. But here's what students miss in their panic. AI cannot understand your company's unique constraints. It cannot understand why your legacy system was built that way, or why changing it breaks 3 or 4 other services. AI cannot design systems that scale from 100 to 10 million users. It can't make the judgment calls about when to sacrifice consistency for availability. AI cannot secure system against real attackers who adapt and evolve. AI cannot handle chaos when everything breaks at once and nothing makes sense. And most importantly, AI cannot take responsibility when things go wrong. It can't sit in a meeting and explain the failure. It can't make the call when there is no clear right answer. Actually, AI creates more problems that require human engineering judgment. The shift is already happening. AI isn't replacing engineers, it's redefining what engineering means. AI becomes your tireless junior developer. You become the architect who directs it. You become the quality controller who catches what it misses. You become the decision maker who understands the bigger picture. The work doesn't disappear, it elevates. Think of it like this. Calculators didn't eliminate mathematicians. They freed them from arithmetic to focus on actual mathematics. Industry reports show these roles growing 40 to 60% year on year. I have talked to hiring managers and recruiters. Here's what they are desperately searching for. AI integration engineer. You work with AI to build systems. Your job is oversight, quality control, and connecting AI outputs into production systems. This role didn't exist 3 years ago. Now companies are hiring dozens. AI reliability engineer. Someone has to make sure that these AI models don't drift, hallucinate, or fail silently. You monitor accuracy, detect bias, and catch problems before customers do. This is the new site reliability engineer. Platform engineer. Internal tools that make development faster are more valuable than ever. You are building systems that 50 other engineers use daily. Platform engineering is the fastest growing role in tech right now. Automation architect. Everything that can be automated will be. Someone needs to design these automation pipelines, maintain them, and improve them. That's you. Security engineer. AI massively expands attack surfaces. Every AI endpoint is a potential vulnerability. Every model can be manipulated. Security roles are growing faster than companies can fill them. Incident response specialist. More AI means more complex failures in ways we have never seen. When a system fails, when the system cascades, when nothing makes sense, you are the person who figures out what's under pressure. System architect. AI can generate components, but it cannot design how they fit together. You understand distributed systems, data flow, scalability patterns, and technical trade-offs. This expertise becomes more valuable, not less. Follow this logic. AI generates more code. More code creates more systems. More systems means more integration challenges. More complex means more failures. More failures means more troubleshooting. More automation requires more oversight. More AI means more security vulnerabilities. This isn't replacement, it's manipulation of engineering work. If you're in school or early career, here is your action plan. Stop obsessing over syntax. Start understanding systems. Learn how services communicate, how data flows, how things break. Master debugging. The ability to trace a problem through 5 services and 3 databases is becoming incredibly valuable. Learn to work with AI tools. Use GitHub, Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude. Get comfortable directing AI and catching its mistakes. Build real projects, not tutorials. Real systems with multiple components, databases, and actual deployment. Understand cloud fundamentals. Everything runs in the cloud now. Know the basics of AWS, Azure, or GCP. Develop communication skills. You need to explain technical decisions to non-technical people. This skill separates senior engineers from everyone else. Stop training to be a human compiler. Those jobs are vanishing. Become a problem solver who happens to use code. Become a system thinker who understands how pieces connect. Become someone who makes good decisions under uncertainty. AI doesn't remove engineers. It removes people who refuse to evolve past mechanical coding. Yes, AI is transforming software engineering. No, it's not eliminating it. The work is moving up the value chain if you build the right skills. System thinking, debugging, architectural communication, your opportunities won't shrink, they multiply. The future isn't about competing with AI. It's about leveraging AI while providing the judgment, creativity, and understanding that AI cannot replicate. The engineers striving in 2026 won't be the ones who write most code. They'll be the ones who think clearly, design thoughtfully, adapt quickly, and lead effectively. That's the real opportunity here.